What a beautiful day. If you remember, or if you can put it together, you'll see something down there that was from last night. It's gonna hurt. I don't know how close I can get before I gotta go. I think that's enough. I think that should give it away right there. A bike. Look at a bike. Good thing people not locked. Client parking only. I bet you. Maybe it is a client. Mental health. This is for them. Oh, I gotta go now. Can you hold this for me, my friend? Can you be a narrator on the way? Don't look at me though. Look at other stuff. Maybe conversation. You have to go over here, right? Don't look at me though. Don't look at me though. Stop looking at me though.
I don't want to record you.
No, it's not for me. It's for the puzzle. No, go on the side. No, like turn it to the side. Horizontal. Yeah. There's no perfection needed. Maybe you say something wise for the moment, for the world.
Now?
What?
Now?
No, in 2 hours. This is sarcasm. No, anything. Hello.
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 Anything you would want to say that you would want the world to know that you believe is good for everyone to know.
I have this very important philosophical theory. It's very important for the people as well. It is that mean life is not everlasting in this world.
Say that again.
Mean life is not everlasting in this world.
Mean life?
Mean life.
Like
The life of mean.
Like
Right? We are.
like bad? Mean?
No. Mean. I mean, I'm talking about the human beings. That human's life is not everlasting in this world.
Oh, everlasting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only good people in mean of characters are remembered after their death.
See, I don't understand that you're saying mean, or what is the word you're saying?
MEN.
And men.
Yes.
Men. So men's life. Should I
Yes.
run and make sure he doesn't go away?
Uh-huh.